Question number 10. An ideal gas. The moment you read ideal gas, what should come to your mind? PV is equal to nRT can be used. Is kept in a closed container. What changes to its volume and temperature? Which means what? You can change the volume, you can change the temperature. When taken together, must have a decrease in the gas pressure. You need to reduce this value of P so that V and T can be continuously changed. Okay, you need not add any number of molecules over it. So let us write P is equal to nRT divided by V. Now what should you do? What is that you require? You want to decrease the value of P. If you want to decrease the value of P, what you should do? You should decrease the value of temperature, right? T has to be decreased. Then N, are you going to add N? No, because you see it's a closed container. You are not going to add gas molecules here. Now what is it you are going to do? The next is R, you cannot change. Gas constant, same, 8.3. What is V? Volume. How much are you going to increase or decrease? You are going to increase the numerator. V you are going to increase. So that, okay, both of them together will definitely reduce the pressure. Which is the right option? The right option here is volume should increase. Volume should increase. Volume should increase and the temperature should decrease. Temperature should be decreasing. The option is D. Okay, let us move on to the next one.